So now you know what this caret character means. It means in this application, we can have a dependency to any version of Mongoose as long as the major version is 4. Now in reality, when you restore these dependencies, chances are the version of Mongoose that is inside of the node modules folder is higher than what we have here. How can we know what version is actually installed? Well, there are two ways. One way is to look at the package.json file for this Mongoose library. So we go to node modules, find Mongoose, and here we have package.json. Now, if you scroll to the end, you can see version. And this is the exact version that is installed. But you can see this is a little bit tedious because you might want to check the version of multiple dependencies. You don't want to navigate through this folder, go to each subfolder, look at package.json. It's tedious. If you want to see the list of all the installed dependencies and their exact version, you can simply run npm list. So in this tree, you can see all the dependencies and their dependencies. For example, here we're using underscore version 1.8.3. However, if you look at Mongoose, you can see Mongoose has dependency to async, and async has dependency on Lodash, and you can see the version of all these packages next to them. Now, this tree is a little bit polluted with too much detail. Maybe you're only interested in the dependencies of your application, not the dependencies of these other packages. If that's the case, when you run npm list, you supply a flag that is --depth equals 0. And now you can see only the dependencies of your application. So we have Mongoose and underscore.